How to fix Spotify something went wrong, please try again later issue. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix something went wrong issue on your Spotify account. Now if you're unable to open up your Spotify account, or if you're able to see this kind of statement, now what you need to do is, in order to fix it, first of all try restarting your internet connection. So sometimes because of your poor internet connection, this kind of error occurs. So what you need to do is, you need to check whether you're connected to a good stable internet connection or not. For that, go to your device's settings, and then right on top you'll be able to find network and internet. Over here you'll be able to see whether you're connected to an internet service or not. Check whether you're connected or not. Even though if you're connected to a Wi-Fi service or cellular data, still you're unable to fix it, then you can turn it off for 20 seconds and after that you can reinstall it. Now apart from doing this, you can also check for an update. If you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be another issue. So you need to go to your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Spotify. Next page, if you see update just like mine, click on the update button and then wait for the application to be updated. Sometimes just by updating your application, it might be able to solve the issue. If you're using your VPN, or if you have not turned on your VPN, then you can just do the vice versa thing and this might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, you can also clear your cache as well as data. For that, long press on your Spotify application, go to the app info icon right on top, go to storage right over here and click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Now keeping this in mind that clearing your storage will log you out of your Spotify account, so make sure that you know your credential. So this is how you can clear your storage. You can also check the Spotify server status. So these were the steps on how you can fix Spotify something went wrong. Please try again later issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.